In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a section password. If you use OneNote to keep private notes, changing a section's password from time to time is a smart way to keep things secure, and the process is straightforward once you know where to click. First, make sure the section you want to update is already unlocked. OneNote only lets you change the password on a protected section when it's open and accessible. You'll also need to know the current password because you'll be asked to confirm it before you can set a new one. With the section unlocked, move your pointer to the section name in the sidebar and right-click it. In the menu that appears, look for Password Protection. Select that, and then choose Change Password. This opens a small window where you'll enter the existing password first. Type it carefully, paying attention to capitalization and keyboard layout, and then proceed to the fields for your new password. Now create your new password and confirm it in the second box. Aim for a phrase or combination that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Longer passphrases with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols are often easier to recall and more secure than short, complex strings. Double-check both entries match exactly. If they don't, OneNote will prompt you to retype them. When everything looks correct, confirm to save the change. A few important notes about this change. It only applies to the current section. It does not alter passwords on your other sections or notebooks. If you want different sections protected, you'll need to repeat the same process for each one. After you change the password, give OneNote a moment to sync. On your other devices, that section will require the new password the next time it needs to be unlocked. Here's the most critical reminder. If you forget your section password, Microsoft cannot reset it for you. There's no recovery option, and you may permanently lose access to the encrypted content in that section. To avoid that, consider storing the password in a trusted password manager or writing down a hint that only makes sense to you and keeping it in a safe place. That's all there is to it. Right-click the unlocked section, go to Password Protection, choose Change Password, confirm the old one, and set a strong new one. Keep it safe, let OneNote sync, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your notes protected and under your control.